So YouTube, it's Thursday night. We're building on that Ratrod, that 59 Buick Electra 225 for Rat Stock 2024. We're making a little progress and hopefully tonight we'll get some more done. I got those pieces cut out for the motor mounts and we're gonna work on that tonight, see if we can get those tack welded into place. That's gonna give us a target for our frame rails. So we're gonna try that out tonight, see how much of it we can get done. We'll weld those pieces together, then tack weld them up to the engine and let you get some of that to watch. So sit back, here we go. Let's build some motor mounts. So I got the motor mounts cut out. I made them in 4 separate pieces to conserve material. Now I'm gonna square it up and tack weld them together so I can fit them towards the engine block. So here's the plan for the motor mount. As you can see, we put some decorative holes in here. Now we're going to take some tubes and slide them in. And like that. We got some spacer metal put in here and clamped into place so that we wind up with the correct outside dimension from here to here. These obviously are just decorative, but also they give extra strength. We still got some more to make. Here's another one. It's going to go here in the bottom center. So we'll tack those 3 tubes into place. Then we'll take this to the engine and tack weld it into position here and here and here and here. Then we'll disassemble it. We'll cut the rest of the tubes and get this put together, and we'll have a motor mount cradle. The motor mount design kind of follows the transmission crossmember design. These are the right and left transmission crossmembers, and they will lay in place and bolt to this transmission crossmember that we manufactured to go all the way underneath to the other side. The motor mount design kind of follows the transmission crossmember design. These are the right and left transmission crossmembers, and they will lay in place and bolt to this transmission crossmember that we manufactured to go all the way underneath to the other side. So the objective was to get the motor mount assembled partially and tack welded together and tack welded to the engine. It is now self-supportive. The good part of getting that done was that now we know our target for the frame rail, which has to come into here, go past the headers, and down to the frame down at the bottom. So now we'll start working on this piece of tube that comes from here to here, and then it'll lay in this cradle here and go straight forward to the axle center line. So this is what the engine mount looks like now, all finished up and ready to go back in the car. As you can see, we'll lay frame rails right through here.
and right through here.
Okay, well, YouTube, if you've been following along, we're actually making some progress here with this. First we laid in the frame rails, then we started working on the rear frame section. Then we worked on the transmission cross member. You've seen some of it come together. We got some of those pieces made. We'll get that welded on in shortly. Tonight, we worked on the motor mount, and we actually have it tack welded to the motor mount braces, motor mount brackets. And so that gave us the target we needed to go from here to here with our frame rail. That's where we'll start at next. Hit that subscribe button down there. Come be our friend on Facebook. Bring us a car to work on. We still got to feed those doggone grandkids. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.